Today I cooked tilapia for my family. It's about $8 for a 2-pound bag. I put some olive oil on the pan and spread it around with a spatula. There we go. That should do it. Okay, pretty good. All right, awesome. All right, I used some Italian breadcrumbs and mixed in a little bit of garlic salt. I mixed it all up. I had 2 eggs. I cracked them and whisked them, and I dipped my tilapia in the egg and then in the breadcrumbs and put them in the pan. Repeat process over and over again. So a 2-pound bag of tilapia is about, I'd say, 7 pieces of fish. So yeah, my whole family eats tilapia. I have rice cooking in the rice cooker at this point. I also have some ramen noodles and some boiled eggs. My kids eat it with baby carrots, whatever vegetables we have on hand. And yeah, so I'm cooking the tilapia in the pan. I start off with the pan on high, but as it heats up, then I lower it to medium. And if that seems like it's too hot too fast, then I'll lower it to low. So I just kind of play it by ear. But you want the pan nice and hot so that it's cooking. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it was 7 pieces of fish because I put 4 in one and 3 in the other. So I'm putting the olive oil on the second pan, and I think I put a more generous amount of oil on the second pan. I actually liked how the fish turned out better in that pan, so note to self, a little bit more oil next time. You'll see the difference when I flip it over, but hey, all my family ate their fish and it was good. You want to make sure that the fish cooks all the way through, so that's why once the pan is heated up, you want to lower it. I also put a lid on top to help make sure that it cooks all the way through, but you don't want to burn it, so it's find this happy medium, right? So I turn it down a little bit lower. I like using this wider, big spatula. I got it from Dollar Tree, and it works really well because these fish, if you use a smaller spatula, they'll just break apart because they're really soft, as most fish are, right? So I like keeping the full piece all together, if possible, So yeah, the meal turned out pretty good. Oh, this is my trick for peeling boiled eggs. You have to put it in ice water and then it peels very easily. So yeah, you might have known that already. But if you didn't know, hot boiled eggs, the shell sticks to it and you can't peel it easily. If you put it in ice water, peels right off perfectly. So yeah, if you ever need to make deviled eggs or egg salad or boiled eggs or anything, that's the trick. All right, see how these ones had a little bit more oil, so they look a little bit nicer? Yeah, more oil next time, note to self. It's not healthier, but, All right, there's the rice for my rice cooker and my ramen noodles I had going in a little thing. So yeah, there's the plates, and I'm ready to teach class online. Thanks for watching. Bye.